Would they keep a patient on a vent in all of the pumps so the organs are viable if that patient is a candidate for organ donation? Let's talk about it. If a patient is a candidate for organ donation, there are two routes that they can donate organs. One is if that patient is brain dead, or two, if that patient donates after cardiac death. If that patient is brain dead, meaning they have been legally pronounced brain dead, which is their legal time of death, they would keep that patient on a ventilator and keep all of the support going until that patient reaches the OR and they begin the procurement process. If the patient is not legally brain dead, but they have sustained a very devastating neurological injury to the point where they are near death but not quite legally brain dead, they would keep the patient on the ventilator and all the support until there is a decision about donation. And if that patient is a potential candidate to donate their organs after cardiac death, then before they would do the donation, all of the support would have to be removed because the patient would have to pass away prior to donating the organs. So in both situations, the patient is legally dead. They have passed away. The brain death route, they keep the support going until the patient begins that procurement process in the OR because the patient is legally dead already. And then the other route, the DCD, donation after cardiac death, all of that support has to be removed because the patient has to pass away within a designated window in order to potentially go and donate their organs. It's very complicated. So let me know if you have any more questions. I'm happy to talk more.